What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We have a new series. It's the $100 a day 30-day challenge. It's 5 days late, and the reason is, well, I thought of it today. Today's June 5th. This is the progress we've made so far. We're up $650 over 4 days, which is really, really good. So we're averaging a bit over 150 per day. These are the trades I made. The most money was made on Luna Classic and Luna 2.0. We'll see how Shift goes on the rest of the day. And we did average down yesterday. And then Block was a purchase. It looked good on the chart. Figured buy it, hold it, and we'll see what we make on it. The rules of this challenge are simple: 30 minutes to an hour a day, finding opportunities. We either do quick flips or we do swing trades. So something we'll buy today and sell the next day at a profit. I don't want to take too long, so let's get right into it. My day started with Brise. I'm a long-term holder, so I have a certain amount in my wallet that I'm holding. I think it's a great one for the next 2 years. In the meantime, I noticed it dumped, so it's still early in the morning. I'm like, why did you fall? So I figured it's the best opportunity to buy. As soon as something falls down that significant amount, there's always a small rebound that you can make money off of. So even though I'm holding some in a long position, I figured why not make money over it? So I buy $1,000 worth of Brise. It's meant to be a very quick flip. So when you see something drop that significantly, you have to have the intention of buying and selling very quickly. Otherwise, you could lose a big amount of money, especially if it's bad news. Everyone saw what happened with Luna. So certain scenarios like that, you want to be very, very decisive. In this case, I'm going to give it a few minutes based on the chart and then sell a bit later on. So I just had to make sure it was the right decision, make sure the average or the price that I got in is a good price. And as you can see, we're up a bit here. But again, it's all about patience. It will go up and down. And it's meant to be a very, very quick flip. So instead of watching it like a hawk, I decide to go and check a few opportunities I found from yesterday. This one's Sutter. I don't know. I for some reason, I kind of liked it. It looked like it had an opportunity. This is the 30-minute chart. Based on the 30-minute chart, and the way I'm seeing it right now is, I don't know, it's not really worth a buy. But again, it all depends on volume, depends on the demand on it. I decided to check Brise again because, well, I want to know if I'm up or not. I need to, again, it's a very quick decision whether to sell or not. We're up $5 roughly, so I'm going to give it some time. It looks good. Here's the order history just to check up the average. We bought at 587, so we're definitely up, and it's a matter of waiting. The question is, how long do we wait? We're looking at a 30-minute chart. Let's have a look. Let's check the 5 minutes. The 5-minute looks good. Feels like the selling has eased off. The RSI is coming up. And of course, it decides to drop to 574. So let's check again. 15-minute. We're making a decision here. Do we hold? Do we wait a bit? Do we add more money? What the hell do we do in this situation? The best thing to do is wait. It seems like the bottom is 0.4, so there's a lot of downside, but let's be patient. Looking at car, this looks like a pretty decent opportunity. We have to check Brise again. Again, it's a quick flip. You don't want to wait too long in the event the dump continues. But again, this is my process every day, just jumping between one crypto to another, 30 minutes a day, give or take, sometimes up to an hour. If we can make $100, we'll get out. If we can make more, why not? This is UFO. Looks okay. Feels like it's easing off. It has potential. The hourly still dumping, but this could turn around over the next day or so. RSI is very oversold. Has an opportunity to come up. I'd say let's I'll wait on this, but it's worth coming back to. There's an opportunity. Hopefully I don't forget about it. BTC looks nice. It's pumping. This could potentially jump tomorrow. Back to CAR. Is there an opportunity here? 30 minutes. I really like the 30-minute chart. There's potential here. The RSI is coming out or is starting to cross upwards. The MACD was slowing down. And then Sutter, I don't know why, but I feel like this will pump. I have to give it some time though. SOS also looks okay on the 30-minute. Let's switch it to an hour. Hour's going down by the looks of it. And then the 4-hour, honestly, this could go either way. I am unsure what this can do. Could go up, could go down. Lithium, I think I made a few bucks on this. I don't know, I liked it. But let's keep looking around. What do we have here? UFO. Vi I made a few bucks off of as well. The hourly is slowing down. There's more downside, but there's also potential for this to come back up. The 30-minute is still on its way down. This is not a bad buy, I think, honestly. This could jump up. It really, really could. We'll revisit. Lithium is starting to look better on the 30-minute. All we need to do is get it back up there. Definitely a lot of potential on lithium on the 30-minute. So this would be like I'd say maybe an hour to 2-hour hold, and you should make a decent amount of money. But again, it's all speculation. It's all guesses on these indicators. They're not always accurate. The 1-hour chart looks great. If it crosses over, there's definitely some money to be made, or right before it crosses over. So definitely a good buy. I might buy some later. I feel like checking Bryce. Pull out the chart on TradingView. I don't know why, but the TradingView on KuCoin is somewhat weird. Let's check the hourly. Yep, it's finally same. This is looking really, really good. I'm really tempted to buy. I am very, very tempted to buy. This is looking glorious. Let's see. Gotta make a decision really, really soon. Again, we bought Bryce. We don't want to hold too long. This is looking so good. It's 2307. I think it could jump up to 24, maybe 24 and change. Feels like 2308 is the bottom for it right now. So feels like a safe buy. There is still a lot of downside. This did skyrocket the other day. Let's draw a quick line from the top. Looks like not a lot of points, right? So we could have drawn it from the other point, but feels like it could break out. Again, this is the hourly chart, so within the hour, this feels like it could break out. The RSI is low. CMF, the money flow, I like that indicator. I don't know, this looks really good to me. I think I only made like a few bucks off of this the other day. It had a lot of potential. I didn't want to hold for too long though. I knew there was some downside coming up, but now it looks really, really good. This could recover a decent amount. We'll see. All right. I think I'm ready to buy. Let's see what Bryce is up to. We're up 22 bucks. We're up on block from yesterday, it seems also. 601. I'm ready to sell this as well. I don't want to miss out on this. I think the selling point is near 606. I'm not sure how much we can get out of this. Again, it's a quick rebound. If BTC is up overall, the market should follow through. In the meantime, let me just check on Luna. Luna's a good money maker from time to time. Made 200 bucks on it on June 1st. Ooh, it's curling up. This is a 4.9. This is a buy. I don't know if I want to get into it. I lost some money on it though. So I made money, but I also lost some. It's such an annoying crypto. Like, it has so much money, has volume. Like, it's always a good opportunity if you time it right. But that's the same to everything if you can time it right. This looks good. Sitting at 4.9. This could actually jump back to like 5 something maybe. MACD's curling up, RSI is pushing up, and as you can see, the CMF or the Chaikin oscillator is also pointing up, which is the same as the CMF almost. Basically tells you the money flow. And of course, Bryce dumps. I'm going to be a bit patient. Let's check out lithium real quick. And I don't know, I'm very tempted to buy. Let's see how our shift is doing. I've been holding this. I averaged it down. It's finally starting to move. 3.6 or 3.6. I bought at like 3.9, averaged down at 3.6 yesterday. So we're pretty much, I think, breaking even. I think. Or should be close to breaking even. I really think this jumps. Let's see what it's at. I don't even know. 956. Okay, nowhere near breaking even. Guess my average is like 3.7. So we're down $40 on it. I don't know. I really think it's still a good hold. We're up $22 on Bryce, which is nice. Blocktopia from yesterday as well. 45 bucks. Could sell it, could hold it. Still has potential, I think. Might want to check the chart on that one. Overall, we're up 656. So, not the best day. Not really making money, but we're not losing money. We're kind of up, which is nice. Kind of up. All right, Bryce is 607. I think sale time is close. Oh, I missed it. It jumped to what? 6. Oh, can't believe I missed it. That's so unfortunate. Did I buy before that? Was I like too busy on something else? That sucks. Lithium. I don't know. I just want to buy this. It just feels like it's gonna pump. It feels like it, man. Just can't make up my mind. Oh my god, the 30-minute. The 30-minute looks glorious. I should definitely buy now. I really should. I don't know how much I'll make. Maybe like 30, 50, 100 bucks possible. Bryce, we're almost there. How much are we making? 56. Let's go. All right. We're actually up like 100 bucks now. But we're down on shifts though. But 100 bucks for the day with Bryce and Blocktopia. I think this is a sale price. I might give it a few more minutes and I'm out. I don't see this bouncing any higher now. Yeah, the 4 hours still, it's too long. Like, it's going to take a while for this to recover on the 4 hour, I think. The MACD is dropping hard. RSI is dropping. I'm ready to sell. 616, 618. I don't know. 614. I'm selling at market, so it'll probably give me a worse average. We're still up 56. It doesn't update often. 619. I'm ready to sell. I think this recovered as much as it can in the short term. Just have to make the decision. Is this good timing? We bought at 587. The bottom was 560. There we go. 620. I think it's sale time. Should be up like, I don't know, 60, 70 bucks now. I don't know why it's still saying 56. Wasn't it 56 the whole time? Either way, I would sell. Blocktopia, we're down on shift. Celestial, I've had that for ages. I just want to get rid of it. 621. All right. Let's check the 15. This will really tell all. This could actually jump a bit, really. I don't know if it'll hit 660 again. I missed that opportunity. That sucks. I don't know how I missed that. 625. I don't know, maybe even 630. 622 feels like a good sale price. This does have potential, though. I do want to sell just to be safe. This could run up. I don't think it'll hit 7, but it could hit like 650-ish, 640. I'm going to take my profit, whatever it is. I don't know why it still says 1056. This is ridiculous. Let's refresh. Really? Pretty sure it's higher. It was like 1056 at like 6 something. All right, let's check the 1 minute. 1 minute is overbought. Like the RSI and the CMF is not doing much. 5 minute. It already dropped to 615. 622 seems like the peak. If it touches 622, I should sell. 618. I just want to get out at this point. I don't think it'll keep running. Shift is doing nice, so I think we're recovering some of the losses on shift right now, which is cool. I think it could hit 4. Back to Bryce. Come on. This is like the worst 30 minutes of my trading experience. I missed it. I could have bought a 2308. I knew it was going to jump. 617. I think I should just get out. Can't make up my mind still. Lithium. I'm going to buy. Let's buy $1,000 worth. Let's do it. Why not? It looks good. 2367. I just made it pump to over 24, I think, because I bought at market. What's my average? 2385. It's not so bad. That is not so bad. I think it's almost time to sell Bryce, though. 621. There we go. I think that's the peak. I want to sell and just call it a day. It'll make life a lot easier. Has potential, but I don't know if I want to risk it. Again, 618. Feels like 621 or 622 is the peak for it. It's time to get out. I just don't trust it. Like, this definitely feels the peak. Let's get out. Could sell half, but I'd rather just sell all of it. It still says 1056. I highly doubt it. That's the one bad thing about kucoin. Doesn't update. Oh, 627. The greed is kicking into me. 1073. Blocktopia dropped. Let's sell. And 622. Whatever. I think it's worth selling. 627, and let's do it. Selling Bryce. 627. It dropped to 617. My sale average, I don't know, probably 620, 622 maybe. It does have potential to bounce back, but nothing crazy. I think we made about 60 to 70 bucks on this, I think, give or take. Blocktopia is dropping. Lithium is up, which is nice, $1. And then we have shift. I'm going to keep holding shift. Let's check Blocktopia's chart. This is the 5 minute. I'm just going to sell. Doesn't look like it's going to bounce on the 5 minute. Although I probably should check a longer time frame. Why am I checking the 5 minute here? Whatever. And we are up. It's 9681. Any additional profit, I think we'd be in a good place. For the rest of the video, I just speed it up so you don't get bored of me just looking through charts. All I was doing really is analyzing some of the ones I bought in and just finding newer opportunities. I'm just tracking my either losses or whatever profits we're making a decision whether to sell Shift or not, whether to sell Blocktopia or not. So again, it's just really looking at the charts for the next 15 minutes. In total, I spent 35 minutes today. So again, just finding whatever opportunities. That was Luna. I knew there was a good buy. Unfortunately, I missed it. Bitgert or Bryce remained at the same price. And then this is Lithium, just making a decision whether to buy or not. So it looked great. Continue analyzing Lithium. I still couldn't make the decision whether to sell or add more and ride it up. It looked good. I just didn't trust this 4-hour chart, thinking it could potentially go down, but the hourly looked so good. Either way, we're sitting at 681 total. I have no clue why I kept holding Selt. It was a hold from May. And I actually end up deciding to sell it, taking the loss. We're still up for the month. And in this case now, I decide to look for new opportunities. I do like using the screener. I will make a detailed video about the screener, how to find these cryptocurrencies that you can trade or flip really quick, trying to catch them before the pump, and so on. And in this case, I'm just looking at opportunities I either found yesterday or using the screener to find a few opportunities that I could potentially trade sometime later in the day or even tomorrow. So just going through them, trying to find a chart that I like. So far, nothing. I do end up adding a few to the watch list. But that's pretty much how my day ended. It was 30 minutes. Blocktopia looked great. This is where I found out that I sold way too early. I was on the 5 minute chart. I sold at a ridiculous price. I could have made a lot more profit if I decided to hold, because that chart looked fantastic. I decide to look at Luna. I'm a fan of Luna. The chart looked great there. I don't know why I didn't buy. Maybe because it dumped. However, that chart looks really, really good. We'll see if it actually jumps or not. In the meantime, I'm just reviewing a few more cryptos that I found the previous day and just really determining whether any of them are worth a buy. This is where I find out that Block looks great. I'm watching Lithium again. Again, just making sure I made the right decision. It does end up going down. I still decide to be patient and continue holding. And then this is Block. Block looks really, really good on the hourly and even better on the 4-hour. I sold it way too early. And that was just a big mistake on my behalf. And that brings us to the end of the day. I ended up spending about 35 minutes in total. Found a few opportunities, reviewed a few from the other day. We're still holding Lithium, still holding Shift, and we'll see how those work out. We're still up 650 for the day. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Just be sure to like, share the video, and don't forget to turn the notification on. These are going to become daily videos. I really, really value your feedback. Feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.